Let's talk through the new cycle that's coming up starting on May 6th. We got on Monday clean and jerk strength to start off, and then we're going to have some longer metcon of some kind with running and some sort of a lift. Lifting is going to be non-hinging based because we're going to have hinging based strength on the second day. So like a hip hinge, you could think of like a deadlift or a power clean or something similar to that as a hinging movement. So something that's a little bit more aerobic, a little bit longer on Monday. And then Tuesday coming back in, we're going to, as I alluded to, do hinging strength based, which is often going to be deadlift, but not always. And then as well as pulling strength, strict pulling strength. And then we're going to have some higher power output intervals where the focus is to be sort of like above your threshold where you can repeat that effort because you are resting. And the goal being to keep that power output high. Wednesday, we're going to do some pressing strength work, followed by an MGW metcon with inversion or a burpee involved in it somehow. So MGW, monostructural gymnastics, weightlifting, those are 3 different categories of movement that we're going to see in CrossFit. We're going to make sure we have at least one in each one of those categories. So moving your own body weight, moving external load, and then doing something that is cyclical in addition to that. And then again, in that metcon, we're going to have some sort of either inversion-based work where you're getting upside down. Obviously, that's involving pressing, or a burpee of some kind where you're obviously getting up and down off the ground, and again, involving that pressing action. Thursday, we're going to be doing some like tempo-based squats just to kind of maintain the leg strength because we've been working on that the last 2 cycles. So more of a maintenance dose on the squatting this time around. And then we're going to do some more aerobic conditioning that is going to be multiple AMRAPs, basically often having some sort of a box, more of a height standardized movement like a wall ball or a box or something like that where you're moving at a fixed distance. Because, sometimes taller people should have advantages as well. And then Saturdays, as always, we will have a partner workout. I haven't really said this, but we often do something that is similar to the name game, which you're going to see from Zor Fitness. So oftentimes we have athletes in the morning, so we're doing those. Not always, but again, on occasion, I'll be pulling from that programming to make a partner-based version of that for our classes. Again, not going to be something that we do all the time, but if you guys are interested, you can start paying attention to that as well. So we'll see you for the new cycle starting on May 6th.